Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Reeves. I'm super excited for this video today because we're going to be talking about the top 5 best ways to make money as a teenager in 2020. Before we get started, I just wanted to say I've been looking at my analytics and I saw that only like 20% to 50% of you are subscribed. So what the heck? Subscribe right now. What are you doing? You don't even have anything else better to do. Just subscribe. You should leave a like on this video because I sort of kind of made my bed. And it looks nice. Anyway, thank you guys, and let's get started. By the way, these are not in any particular order. I'll talk about pros and cons for each, but none of them are better than any others, or they're not in any particular order. I just wanted to say that. So, in number 5, we have flipping items. This is the idea of buying something for cheap and selling it for more. A lot of times people do this with iPhones. They go on eBay, go buy a used iPhone for whatever price they want, iPhone X, and then they go and they take that, get it, sell it right after for maybe $50 to $100 more. People like the Financial Wolf does this. He's one of my favorite YouTube channels currently, and people do this all the time. It's really popular. It's really easy to flip. However, you do have to spend a lot of time looking at listings and also getting people to buy the product. And it's also a little sketchy because you have to meet up with those people in person unless you're selling it online, which, you know, dealing with shipping while flipping is not the best. But yeah, that was number 5, is flipping. Number 4 is dropshipping. Now, I couldn't make a money-making video without mentioning dropshipping. For this one, you do need to kind of have your parents involved because, look, if you're under 18, the fact is that it's going to be very hard to sell things, and you can't really even sign up for Shopify without being 18, so you're going to have your parents a little bit into this, and for all of them, you kind of need your parents a little bit with this, but I'm sure you could get away somehow with doing this, or just ask your parents nicely, and they may actually help you with some business ventures that you might have. And yeah, dropshipping is the idea where you choose an item from a website like AliExpress. You make a website, you add the item from AliExpress onto your website for more, and then when someone orders something from your website after you promote it, you're going to ship straight from AliExpress to them, leaving out you, and you're just a middleman. You don't ever touch the product, you don't ever see the product. You're shipping straight from AliExpress to the person that bought off your website. This can be very profitable. However, it does take a while, and you kind of do have to know what you're doing. You also have to spend a little bit of money for the Shopify fee, and also if you're going to spend any money on promotion like Google ads or Facebook ads or any Instagram influencer promotion. So it does cost a little bit to start up, and you kind of do have to know what you're doing, but you can watch a bunch of YouTube tutorials, and that's kind of what I did. And yeah, it can be very profitable, and that's why it's in number 4. Number 3 is spending 24 hours a day making 10 cents an hour taking surveys online. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. No, don't do that. That's a terrible idea. Don't do the surveys for money. Anyway, number 3 is actually create a Fiverr listing. Now, you're probably like, what the heck? But let me tell you guys something. There's a niche, and someone is willing to pay for literally anything. Look, if you're good at piano or you're good at skateboarding, create a Fiverr listing showing tutorials on how to play the piano or how to skateboard. Or maybe you're good at Photoshop. Maybe you're not even good at Photoshop. Maybe you're terrible at Photoshop, but you have Photoshop. And here's what you can do. You go watch tutorials for 10 hours. Then you make a Fiverr listing saying, oh, I can make a Photoshop. I can Photoshop whatever you need, maybe just basic color correction. Put it up there for 5 smackaroos, and someone out there is going to buy your Fiverr listing. And all you have to do is watch the YouTube tutorials for free on how to make the Photoshop color profiling perfect or whatever. All you have to do is look up the tutorial on YouTube on whatever they ask for in Photoshop, and then you just put it in Photoshop and send it back to them, and they're gonna pay you $5 because they didn't want to do the work. And trust me, people actually pay for this kind of thing, and pretty much everyone has some sort of skill. Look, I'm not the most skillful person, but you know, I know how to edit YouTube videos, I know how to make something in Photoshop, and I know how to make a YouTube channel and run a YouTube channel, and there you go. That could be a Fiverr listing in itself. You know, running a YouTube channel, I could say I charge $20 a week or whatever I want to charge. Pretty much, I wouldn't charge too much for anything that's super kind of simple-ish, but yeah, I could charge $20 a week, and I'll say I'll manage your YouTube, but I'll create your profile picture, your banner, whatever you need pretty much. And that is a skill that someone's willing to pay for. Trust me, someone out there is willing to pay for your skill. So just go try it out, go make a Fiverr. I'm assuming it's not that hard, and go and create a listing. I'm sure someone's gonna buy it. So that was number 3, that was create a Fiverr listing for whatever skill you have. In the number 2 spot, we got create a YouTube channel. YouTube channels are amazing, and I'm here on YouTube right now making content for you guys, and I'm making money while doing it, and it's just amazing. I love making videos. If you hate making videos, don't make a YouTube channel, but if you like making YouTube videos and kind of challenging yourself and kind of getting out of your comfort zone and talking about things that you wanted to talk about, trust me, there's people to watch anything on YouTube. There's so many niches. Like, look, I literally talk about making money as a teenager right now. Like, that's pretty niche down, and trust me, someone's gonna watch your content if it's good enough. Like, just make videos, put them out there, whatever you want to make. Now, you do have to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours of watch time to get in the monetization program. Now, that is not super hard. It takes around a month if you're making consistent content. If you're actually growing the YouTube channel, it doesn't take super long. Or if you just get a hit on a video, maybe you get 20,000 views. In that duration where you're not making money, then you can focus on building up your content, building up your fan base, getting more subscribers. So I think that's pretty important to not just start making money from the start. And from my YouTube channel, I only have 4,000 total views on YouTube, and I've made $48. So, I mean, that's just because I'm in the finance and money area of YouTube. I make videos on making money and just a bunch of other things in the same category, and the CPM is much higher in this category, so that's why I'm making a lot for a little amount of views. But if you just want to make any YouTube content, you can get paid for doing it, so you might as well try and just start and create a YouTube channel. You can name it whatever you want and just start any day. And look, I even have a YouTube plaque for another YouTube channel. It's very fun. I got rewarded for having 100,000 subscribers. That felt amazing. Best day of my freaking life, okay? Anyway, that was number 2, create a YouTube channel, make it about anything. In the number 1 spot is create an Instagram theme page. Look, this is super easy. There's tutorials. I have a tutorial. Go check out my video. I'll leave a link. I'll put a card right here, and it's going through how I set up my theme page literally in one day and grew it to 100 followers in one day. You could make a theme page about literally anything. In my opinion, make a theme page about your hobby. Maybe you like cars, make a theme page about cars. Maybe you like dogs, make a theme page about dogs. Look, you can make a theme page about anything on Instagram. It's super simple. It's so easy to make a theme page on Instagram. I mean, there's little intricate things that you can do, but realistically, profile picture, content, bio, and caption. That's literally it. And then follow for follow method is my choice of growing at the beginning. And it's so simple. Just go watch my video on growing a theme page, episode 1. Go watch that video. And the thing about theme pages, you can make a lot of money. Let's say you have a theme page with 10,000 followers. You can sell shoutouts. There's so many avenues for creating revenue. Like, you can sell shoutouts. You can make a dropshipping page, like I mentioned earlier on this list. You can make a dropshipping page. Start making 6 figures a year just from having theme pages and running theme pages. If you're really passionate about something, it's just fun to do, and posting content about something you're passionate about is very fun. And it's just really simple, and that's why I put it in the number 1 spot, is create a theme page. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your view. Also, leave a like if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, this has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube. Go make some money.